Did I bring you the toys, Sparkle? It's Touch of Grey eating her dinner. Good old Minerva. Minerva is a foster, so is Touch of Grey. Okay. Want this mousy? You want this mousy? Oh, just my baby boy. Just my baby. That's my baby meatball. Yeah, so he's on a diet, so that's why he has his little bowl of food, because he's a meatball. They're all getting to be meatballs. Huh. You're all getting to be meatballs instead of cats. Yes. What's this one? What, you want that one? You like that one? Come over here and play with the toys. Say no, we have a box. Bless you. Bless you.